friends, welcome to my channel, that is ignouassignmentshelper, and today we will discuss about data representation. And this is the second chapter of MCS-12 book 1, and in this chapter we'll in detail learn about the number types, just like binary number, decimal number, and octal number, hexadecimal number. Also, in today's topic we'll learn about how to convert from decimal to binary and binary to decimal. Okay, so without wasting any more time, let's just jump into the topic. Thank you. So, as I said, today's topic is all about data representation, and in this topic, we'll learn about, first of all, 4 types of data in computer language. So, first is binary. So, binary number actually represented by 0 and 1. So in computer actually knows the binary language, and it uses binary language very massively for its representations. The next one is decimal number, which we actually generally use for our calculations. So that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The decimal numbers. Now the next one is octal. It is somewhat like decimal number, but it only has 8 digits in it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And the last one is hexadecimal. So hexadecimal numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then from 10 we'll write A, for actually 11 we'll write B, for 12 we'll write C, for 13 we'll write D, 14 E, 15 F, for 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 will write different numbers, different alphabets, just like A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay. So actually these are the hexadecimal numbers. So in today's topic we'll discuss more about binary and decimal numbers. We'll learn how to convert them from binary to decimal and from decimal to binary. So without wasting any more time, let's just jump into that topic. First we'll learn how to convert from binary to decimal. So let us take a binary number. First of all, we'll start with very easy example. So let us take 1010. So we will write this number. If you want to convert it into decimal number, then we'll first write this number in this way: 1010. In the next, we will multiply each number with 2, and then we'll increase the power of 2 in each number. So just like this will be 0, this will be 1, this will be 2, this will be 3. So this will be 8, this will be 0. Again, this one will be 2, this one will be 0. So this will be 10. So actually 1010 in binary number, but in decimal number it will be 10. Okay, so now let's just take another example. That is, let us take 11011 point. Zero zero 10. Okay. So now in this type of examples also we'll follow the same rule. Just like for the first part, we'll divide it in 2 parts actually. For the first part, we'll write something like 11011 plus 0.0010. Okay. And now for first part, we'll follow the same rule, just like 11011. For this one, we'll first write in this way: 1 0 1 1, and we will multiply this in 2, so into 2 into 2 into 2. Now we'll increase the power, so 0 1 2 3 4, so this will be 16, this will be 8, this will be 0, this will be 2, and this will be 1. So actually this will be 3 8 and 6 14, so 24 plus 3, that is 27. So the first part gives us 27. Now the next part is 0.0010. we will also write this one just like the earlier, so 0 plus 0 plus 1 plus 0. Now we'll multiply this with 2 again, but now the change will happen. We'll increase the number from this side, and this time we'll increase the number by minus, just like this will be -1, this will be -2, this will be -3, this will be -4. So this will be 0, again this will be 0, again this will be 1/8, and this will be again 0. So 1/8 means 0.125, and hence the answer, just like 11011.0010, the answer will be 27.125. Okay, so this will be the answer for this question. Now we will learn how to convert decimal number to binary numbers. Okay, so if you want to follow my workout example and take some time, please pause this video now, because I'm going to wipe this. So the next part is from decimal to binary. So from decimal to binary, let us take a simple example. It's like let us take 43.25. Okay, so what will be in binary number? So for doing this, we'll divide it by two parts, just like 43.25 is equal to 43 plus 0.25. So for 43 we will divide 43 by 2, just like this way. The divide process will be something different. We'll divide it by 2, and we'll write here the result, and the remainder we'll write it here. Just like, suppose we are dividing this 2 with 43, then we'll write here 2 and 2, that means this will be 2 into 2 4, and 2 into 1 so 3, so remainder is 1, right? So now what we'll do, we'll again divide it by 2, and this time it will be 2 into 1 0, so again 1 will be remainder. Now this time again we'll divide it with 2, so this will be 5, and there will be no remainder, so we'll write here 0. Now in the next step, we'll divide it by 2 again, and this will be 2 of 2 4, but this is 5, so remainder will be 1, and then we'll divide it by 2, so this will be 1, this will be 0. So actually, when we are counting this from binary, so we'll go from here to here, just like 43 in binary representation, that will be 1 0 1 0 1 1. Okay, and now if we go through 0.25, so let us this process is quite simple, because for making it binary, we need to multiply it with 2. So if we multiply it with 2, what we'll get? 0.50, and we'll get will not get any 1 before point, so here it will be 0. Now we'll again multiply this with 2, and now we'll get 1.0, so we'll write here 1. So in binary representation it will be 43.25 will be written like 101011.01. Okay, so we will also cross check that if it is right or not. So first of all, let's just check it with 0.01. so if we take it something like 0 plus 1, and this will be 2 to the power minus 1, 2 to the power minus 2, so this will be 0, this will be 1 by 4. So 1 by 4, 0, 0. So this is going to be 0.25, so this is correct. And now we'll check the first part. So if you want to work it out that if it is correct or wrong, you can also check it, because we already know how to convert this type of binary numbers into decimal numbers. So the first part is 101011, and now we will just write it something like 1 plus 0 plus 1 plus 0 plus 1 plus 1 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 again into 2, and we'll increase the power from here 0 1 2 3 4 5. So 2 to the power 5 is 32 plus 0 plus 8 plus this one will be 0 again, this one will be 2, and this one will be 1. So if we plus it, that means 440 plus 3, so it is getting 43. So this one is also correct, so that means 43.25 represents this scene. Okay, so hope you like my video, and if you like my video you can subscribe my channel. You can also share and comment below. Also, if you want to know something about MCA, also you want to learn something about MCA topics, specifically MCS-012, then please let me know in the comment. Okay, and thanks for watching this video, thanks for taking this course. Have a nice day.